Hi everyone, welcome to the Best Kitchen. Today's recipe is how to make grilled bananas wrapped in sweet rice, aka Chuối Nếp Nướng. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word Show More or a small drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Now, let's get started. Ingredients for the sweet rice you will need 2 cups of sweet rice cooked with coconut milk and some pandan leaf. For the filling, I highly recommend you to use ripe Asian bananas like this, then it will taste sweet when it's cooked. Wash 2 cups of sweet rice well with cold water or until the water runs clear. Then add rice into the rice cooker. Pour in 3 cups of boiling water. Stir it well, then let it soak for 1 hour. This step is only soaking the rice, not cooking the rice. Meanwhile, we will wash and dry banana leaf. You will need 8 pieces of leaf. The width should be the same size with the length of the bananas. 8 strips about 2 centimeters wide and 8 smaller strips. Beside banana leaf, you also need some foil wrap. Must have these delicious toppings: toasted sesame seed and toasted peanuts. For the coconut sauce, you will need 1 can of coconut cream, 1 1/4 cup of water, 4 1/2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tube of vanilla sugar, 2 tablespoons of tapioca pearls, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. Add all the dry ingredients into a medium-sized saucepan. Mix it well, then pour in coconut cream. Stir well until the sugar and starch are dissolved. Then pour in the rest of the water. Stir well and let it sit for 20 minutes, enough time to soften tapioca pearls. After 20 minutes, cook coconut sauce on medium heat. Keep stirring and stir gently. Cooking time may take from 8 to 10 minutes. When you see the sauce start to boil like this, then turn the heat off. Continue to stir for 1 to 2 minutes. At this time, the tapioca pearls is not fully cooked yet, so you need to cover the sauce for 15 to 20 minutes for it to fully cook. Add paper towel down first, then place the lid on top. This to keep all the moisture from dripping into the sauce. So after 20 minutes, the sauce is done. Tapioca pearls are cooked perfectly. Keep it warm and do not stir. You can grind or smash sesame seed and peanuts. Then set it aside. The rice had been soaked for 1 hour. Now it's time to drain the water out and shake off to remove all excess water. And do not rinse the rice again. Add soaked rice into the rice cooker. Add 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, and 3/4 cup of water. Stir everything well together, then add pandan leaf. Cover and cook exactly the same way that you would cook rice. When the rice are cooked, remove it right away, or the bottom of the rice will burn. Remove pandan leaf. You see the rice cooked perfectly. It's soft and tender. I will flip the rice out for you to see the bottom of the rice. There's a little burn, and if you don't like it, you can remove the burn part. But although it looks burnt, it's still soft and not hard, so I will keep it just like this. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like it more sweet, then you can add 2 tablespoons instead. Mix well and knead the rice until it comes together. Then flatten it down. Divide the rice into 8 equal portions. It's soft, tender, little sweet, and have a very good flavor of pandan and coconut milk. Eight Asian banana, around 700 grams. Remove the peel. Then next step is to wrap the banana with sticky rice. This is how I wrap my banana. You will need one clean Ziploc bag. Brush with a tiny bit of oil. Add one portion of rice. Fold in both sides of the Ziploc bag on top of each other. The width should be the same length with the bananas. Press the rice down, form into rectangle shape. Then gently roll it out into a thin layer. Add one banana on top. Then roll it tightly and push it forward, like you rolling sushi. Fold in both sides and squeeze it gently to make sure it's covered the bananas completely inside. Then wrap with banana leaf like traditional way. This is how we do it. Then continue until you are finished all of the bananas. Lastly, wrap each banana with foil wrap. Because I use gas grill to grill my bananas, so it may get burned very easily. If you grill your bananas in traditional way, then you don't need to use foil wrap. Preheat the grill on high heat. Add all the bananas. Then cook on medium-high heat. Cover for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you need to flip it over. Cover, cook again for 5 minutes. Repeat that step for 3 or 4 times. Then remove the foil wrap. Continue to cook until the rice are not stick to bananas leaf anymore. You see it's nice and crispy now. Then remove banana leaf. Keep cooking until it's brown and crispy. Since my family likes it crispy, so I cook it a little longer. My cooking time around 35 to 40 minutes. If you like yours softer, then you cook it less. It's very flexible because the rice already cooked. Keep cooking and flipping until the rice are brown and crispy all around. It looks beautiful and crispy. Now it's time to taste. You only need to cut it to small pieces. Add coconut sauce, some smashed peanuts and sesame seed. Then enjoy. It's crispy on the outside. The banana is soft and sweet with a delicious coconut sauce. I hope you will give this recipe a try. And I'm sure everyone will love it. For more easy and delicious recipes, please check out my website at thebestkitchen.com. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to click like and share the recipe with others. Subscribe to my channel to be notified on my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.